I have enjoyed kayaking for many years. I love exploring the waterways and experiencing the beauty of nature. Kayaking is a fun way to exercise and a great way to relieve stress. The most wonderful and unforgettable moment of my life is probably the day I became a father. And to make room for our growing family, we moved into a wonderful new home right on the water. The only issue has been that it is incredibly difficult to launch our kayaks from the seawall. In fact, I had been unable to go kayaking in over a year. Away from civilization, surrounded by the beauty of the water, I feel free from the struggles of modern life. Lucky for me, I heard about the IMM Quality boat lifts kayak lift from a group of friends. I did my research, and could immediately tell that it was exactly what I wanted. A well-made product that was safe and easy to use. Overall, getting this kayak lift has been so freeing. To be able to, on a whim almost, just get out there on the water has been so amazing. And as a father, the ability to share my love of nature, water, and adventure with my children has been more meaningful than I could have imagined. They say the best gift that fathers can give their children is their time. I am extremely grateful for the time spent kayaking with my family. I will always cherish these memories. Thank you.